This your girl, Shara the Goddess, and I'm back with a video. I gotta hurry up and get into this video, y'all, because I got to show y'all this. But this is proof that the veil is lifting. This is proof that celebrities, you know what, y'all? I ain't even gonna talk about it. Let's just watch this video, y'all. But this is proof, y'all. Proof right here in your face. Check this out.
Disguise a person, the general idea is that you're going to meet with someone in this disguise and they're going to write a memo of the person that they just met with. We want every item in that memo that describes you to be wrong. If we're looking at a man and we want to change the way he looks, start at the top, and the first thing that comes up is hair. What's he got and what do you want to do with it? If he has curly hair, you want to go straight. If he has dark hair, you might want to go light. If he's young, you might want to throw in some gray. If he's old, you might want to color up the gray. Do you present with facial hair? If you don't, maybe we're going to give you some. If you're going to be somewhere for a while, maybe we're going to have you grow some. We have made prostheses on occasion. You can actually change cheekbones. You can add something here. You can add a forehead. You can do a nose. We can do what we call dental facades. We can change actually the shape of your face with the right dental facade. This piece is called a plumper because it increases the plumpness of your gums, and when it does that, it changes the profile of your face. The last thing is artificial palates. We take an impression of the top of your mouth. They can change your enunciation. They can cause a slight lisp. It's a little bit different with everybody who wears one, but if it's enough, it's for you.
Wow, y'all. Wow. Y'all, this is crazy. Y'all just seen it for yourself. Y'all heard it from yourself from a former CIA, a person that was a part of the CIA. I told y'all, everything is being revealed. The veil is lifting. It's universal law that they have to put the truth out there to us, y'all. They have to inform us. So you can't say you didn't know what was going on. You can't say you didn't know what was going on. But when I say y'all have to share this video, y'all have to share this video because the truth is out there. The proof is out there. These people have been wearing masks. Allegedly. I'm going to say that just for YouTube purposes. Y'all already know how the game go. But yeah, y'all, these people have been wearing masks. Y'all seen it for yourself. They transformed the white girl. Let me go back to that, y'all. Let me go back. This confirms that cloning is real. Like I always say, cloning is real. So much, y'all. These reptilians are shapeshifters. And they've been walking around looking like who they've been looking like. That's why I say you never know who's who because everything is an illusion anyway, y'all. Let me pause it. And I'm gonna also point out something else too, y'all. But look, they transformed the white girl and made her into a black girl. Let me find. Look, that's crazy, y'all. They really been doing this. They've really been doing this, walking around here in silicone masks, y'all, because they have been hiding. But like I said, they have to expose themselves at this point. They have to put it out there. So for a lot of these celebrities, check out my last video that I just posted if you haven't watched that. But I was exposing it on that video as well. But this, I had just recently came across where the lady from the CIA was actually talking about it, y'all. Talking about how they've been, they got fake meat suits. Fake meat suit. People actually been wearing masks, y'all. That's why I say you never know who's behind the mask. But for her to be transformed into a black woman shows you, this proves that, wow, y'all, this proves so much in this video. But let me show y'all some subliminal stuff that's even posted in this video to prove about the reptilians and shit. Like, check this out, y'all. Hold on if I can find it right quick. The way that the mask, when she peeled the mask off, y'all, look at that. That's who's really behind the white girl. An entity like this. This is what's behind the mask of the white face of her. I can't get to it, y'all, but the way it kind of looked like she's a monster. Y'all know what I'm saying? Because the reptilians are behind a lot of these people's faces, y'all. These entities, I told y'all they are shapeshifters. But of course they want to try to shapeshift into the black race. They want to shape because they know that we are the magical ones. So they've been out here putting on a lot of faces, tricking in the sky and trying to confuse. I'm telling y'all, you never know who's who. You never know who's who, y'all. Wow, this is crazy. But I just wanted to show y'all this. And that was proof from a CIA. Oh, there you go right there, y'all. Check that out. See, this is subliminal. Everything is I'm telling y'all, everything is subliminal, symbols, all of that. But the fact, because this video, I got it from somebody else's YouTube channel, but I think it was on TikTok or something like that. And like I said, by them having to put the truth out there, they still working in symbols and all that type of stuff. So, and this was like the thumbnail. This is like when you click on this video, I mean, not this particular video, but when you watch it on TikTok or another one of those websites, this is the first picture that you see. They got this as a thumbnail. So it's like, yeah, y'all, they showing you like the monsters behind certain faces. Like I said, the reptilians and the creatures of certain people really look like this or worse than this. Or however you want to, these evil entities, y'all. Evil entities. I'm telling y'all, this is crazy. But like I said, y'all, the truth is being exposed. And yeah, they got body doubles. And it goes beyond just the face. They got the whole full body suit. So, like I said, y'all, in my last video, check that video out. Like, they have a lot of people, they've been saying a lot of different celebrities been playing different roles. So, like I said, I seen some, they say Tyler Perry is really Will Smith. Like, it's a lot of, it sounds crazy, y'all. Like I said, I've been learning about this. I just got into this type of stuff. So, I'm going to say allegedly with that Tyler Perry thing, Will Smith thing, for YouTube purposes again. But yeah, it's crazy. Y'all can look this stuff up. It seems out there. Like I said, this is really something that's really out there. You know what I'm saying? But you can believe it or you cannot believe it. It's up to you. But one thing that you should believe is this video I just showed you, because it was from a CIA person showing that, this stuff actually really happens. Like I said, it's confirmed the cloning. This confirmed so much of the entertainment world, entertainment industry, all of that. It confirms it, but yeah, y'all, I just wanted to show y'all that this stuff happened. Like they showed Justin Bieber, with the fake tattoos, and they, like the lady was saying, they could do stuff to your ear, your whole body, basically, to make you look like whoever they want you to look like, for whatever, because I told y'all, everything is an agenda. They trying to push an agenda. This is why I always say, believe half what you see, because you don't know what's the motive behind whatever it is that you're looking at. And from this video, you really don't know who's behind the face. You don't know. And like I said, anytime you got a white girl trying to transform into a black girl, wow, y'all, that says so much. Anyway, I'm going to get out of here. Share this video, y'all. It's time to wake up. It's time to level up. The truth is being exposed. And yeah, it's out there, y'all. Anyway, this your girl, Shabba the Goddess. Till the next time, I'm out. Peace.